Rami said it was quite the experience last time you visited, no?
Well, we were fleeing a tropical storm at the time.
Turn right. In 400 yards, turn left.
Sharp left ahead!
Turn left.
They say Horizon drivers are good on dirt. Let's see how you handle La Selva Mexicana.
In 400 yards, turn left.
Agua Azul, popular with the tourists. But first, we have to find it. Try not to wet the scientific equipment or the scientist.
In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left.
You know this is the highest bridge in the Americas. Más rápido, por favor. I don't like heights. That's the Pyramid of Uxmal. Rami told me leyendas about it when we were kids. Oh, is that the end of the tour? You're too fast, my friend. Data looks perfect. Great stuff.
Thanks for the tour, Juan.
Fue mi placer, my friend. Just do one thing for me. If Rami asks, tell him I'm a much better guy than he is.
Hola, mi amiga. Juan Garcia's here. Primo Rami heard about our adventure in the jungle. He set up a sorpresa for you.
What kind of surprise?
Well, if I tell you, then it won't be a sorpresa. Just get down here.